Hey guys, welcome back. In the last few sessions, we have discussed about the functional interface, and we have written some code on the functional interface as well. So in this session, we will be discussing about the lambda expression. Lambda expression is also known as lambda calculus. Lambda calculus is a big change in the mathematical world. Lambda calculus was introduced in 1930s. In 1930s, we got this lambda expression, the mathematical world. Because of the benefits of lambda expression, this concept slowly started using in the programming world as well. Because of its popularity, it slowly started using in the programming languages as well. Lisp is the first programming language which uses the lambda expression. The other languages like C Sharp, .NET, the other languages like C Sharp, .NET, C Objective, C++, Python, and Ruby, and at last in Java. The main objective of this lambda expression is to bring benefits of functional programming into the Java. Now, let's see the definition of what is lambda expression. What is lambda expression? What is lambda expression? What is lambda expression? Okay. Now we will be seeing the definition of the lambda expression. Lambda expression is just an anonymous function. That means the function which doesn't have name, return type, and access modifiers. Access modifiers. What is the syntax of lambda expression? How to write the lambda expression? What is the syntax of lambda expression? Syntax of lambda expression. A syntax of writing the lambda expression. Parenthesis. Here we will be providing inside the parenthesis, we will be providing the number of parameters, if any, number of parameters, if any. Okay. Then lambda expression symbol. This is the lambda expression symbol. And open the curly braces. Inside, we will be writing the list of statements. We'll be writing the list of statements. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, and so on. Statement n. So we can write n number of statements inside this lambda expression, inside this curly braces. Okay. So I hope you understood what exactly the lambda expression is, how it is evolved into the from mathematical world into the programming language. In the next session, we will be seeing some of the examples on the lambda expression. Until then, thank you for watching.